Katapok. Andre Busing.
Pagani.
Si Sordo.
Si Pang, Himaon.
Bido.
Datang sa si Alconil dito, magkakabit ko dapit. Ano na? Ano? Si Alconil ba? Hindi na siya may tapahan. Nasa iya. Samot, nagkatong isa. Mat, napa isa na mo.
Pagugay.
Okay, automatic first five. Our umpire one, Mr. Renato Bagu, and our group chief, Mr. Earl Naka. Captain ball from Team Tropapits, jersey number 14, and captain ball from Team Lords Pizza Wi-Fi, jersey number 12.
Gani kay tao.
First ball position, Tropapits. Walo. 15 second shot clock to Alicante pull up J. Is it 2 points by Alicante? Yantino, it's a steal. Pass to Ronquillo. To Walo, nagawan pa ng paraan. To Walo, jersey number 3. Nabaha to Liantino. To Nabaha. Liantino pull up chain, no good. Big rebound by Kebido. No good pa rin. Another putback by Liantino. AC 2 points by jersey number 1. Ten second shot clock. Ronquillo from the downtown, no good. Long rebound by Liantino. It's a steal by Ronquillo. Paul up Gino, good pa rin. Long rebound by Molos to Quevedo. Quevedo drop pass to Liantino. Is it 2 points from Quevedo to Liantino. Score deadlock. Walo to Moreno. Drop pass to Ronquillo. 10 second shot clock. Sarmiento 5 second shot clock.
Siya ko na tito.
Na-shot.
Chat.
Okay. Dong, ayaw pag-whistle di Dong. Oh, pwede noon mo apilan kay nabunduhan na sila.
Pasagdaan na ba nila kay nag-usun? Pasagdaan nila, wala basta
Sige. Okay, basket count. Dong, dili na mag-whistle sunod Dong.
Nag-practice ng bap.
Nabaha to Liantino. It's a counter spell. 15 second shot clock. Molos. Diretso. Reverse layup. Is it 2 points by Molos.
Warley no.
Moreno. It's a ball out of bounds. Exactly 4 minutes remaining. Quevedo drop pass to Molos. AC 2 points by Molos. Jersey number 15. Walo. Torongkillo. Pull up J. No good. Big rebound. Outlet pass to Liantino. Liantino dire-diretso. Fought back by Molos again. The score 10 against 6. 4-point lead. Lords piece of Wi-Fi. Sarmiento from the downtown, no good. Long rebound by Liantino. To Quevedo. Quevedo dire-diretso. No good pa rin. Big rebound by Alicante. Alicante diretso. There's a whistle. Jersey number 9. Illegal contact to the arm, 2 throws. Substitution. Sarmiento out. And Enghog. Sige, kuha. Substitution pa.
Moreno.
Sige, Moreno out. 2 throws.
Hindi ka bakit ano bang?
Pasok ang unang tera ni Alicante, number 22.
Sir, kulintas lima ako, sir.
Hindi pumasok ang pangalawang tera. Quevedo. Another putback by Quevedo. Walo. Tomaco from the downtown. Bang! 3 points by Mako number 01. Score 10-12. 2-point lead. Piso Wi-Fi. It's a miscommunication turnover. Okay, Mako, imong kulintas dong. Madelikadong buhay tayo dyan. Round outside, Enghog to Walo. Looking for his teammates. Pass to Ronquillo, 15 seconds shot clock. Exactly 2 minutes, 10 seconds shot clock. Whistle called. Jersey number 12, illegal use of hands. Side throw. Shot clock reset to 14. First personal foul, Cortel, and 2 team foul. For Team Lords, piece of Wi-Fi. 10 seconds shot clock. It's a miss. Pasto na ba? To Oret. Fake. Dire-diretso. It's a block. Recover. It's a 3 seconds violation. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Score 10 against 12. 2-point lead. Lords piece of Wi-Fi. Mako from the parking area. Bang! Pangalawa na yan. Labaw na ang Tropa Pits of 1 point. 12 against 13. Coquilla from the downtown. Bang! For the revenge. 60 seconds remaining. 55. It's a block, but still recover. 50 seconds. Agawan ng bola. Basketball Lords, Piso Wi-Fi, 45 seconds. $40. 15 second shot clock, 35. Drop pass to Quevedo. There's a whistle. Jersey number 22, it's a pushing foul. Shot clock reset to 14. 30 seconds remaining. It's a no good but still recover. Another footback. 10 second shot clock. Gikan sa gawas si Coquilla. 22 seconds remaining, shot clock off. Alicante still. Coquilla dire-diretso. 14 seconds shot clock. Out. 10 seconds remaining. 5. Shot. Score 15 against 17. 2-point lead, Lords, Piso Wi-Fi.
Pasa ta, pasa ta. Uy, pasa. Ay, diretso.